Are you thinking of buying solar panels but got confused what type of solar panels are best or value for money? You're at the right place. Here we will discuss about different type of solar panels and their cost and benefits. Hello everyone and welcome again to Solar. In today's video we will discuss about different type of solar panels available in the market and their benefits and downsides. And we will also look at few typical scenarios where certain type would be better than the others. Hope one of them resonates with you. Firstly, we'll talk about monocrystalline panels. These type of panels are made from monocrystalline silicon cells or also known as single crystalline silicon, and they are easily recognizable due to its even exterior coloring and uniform look. So, talking about the advantages, monocrystalline panels have the highest efficiency rate since they are made of highest grade silicon, and the efficiency rate of these panels are usually between 15 to 20%. So monocrystalline panels are very much space effective since these panels yields highest power outputs. They also require least amount of space as compared to any other type. Talking about the disadvantages, monocrystalline panels are more costlier than polycrystalline panels and are not economical for smaller size or residential use. Plus, if the solar panels get partially covered with dust, snow or shade, the whole circuit can break down. Plus, monocrystalline panels are more temperature sensitive and their performance suffers as the temperature rises up. So, let's talk about polycrystalline panels. These type of panels are made from polycrystalline silicon, or which is also known as multicrystalline silicon cells. These panels were introduced in the market in 1981. Rock silicon is melted and poured into a square mold, which is cooled and then cut into perfectly square wafers. So, let's talk about the advantages now. Polycrystalline panels are much cheaper than monocrystalline panels and are very economical for residential application. Polycrystalline panels tend to have slightly lower heat tolerance than monocrystalline panels and performs better in higher temperatures. So, now let's talk about disadvantages as well. The efficiency of poly panels are typically 13 to 16% because of lower purity of silicon used in this. The efficiency rate is slightly lesser than mono panels, and the difference is very minor in case of residential rooftop applications where the overall size is less than 1 to 10 kilowatts. So, we are at the conclusion now. Monocrystalline solar panels are best on cost effectiveness for residential use, while polycrystalline panels are best in commercial or industrial or large solar plants. So if you are a residential customer, then both will be the same for you. But in case of monocrystalline panels, you will end up paying more for very low benefit on efficiency. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.